Features of pressure switch. It is a device that enables the refrigeration system to operate in the set pressure range by detecting high pressure and low pressure. Name of each part of dual pressure switch. The dual pressure switch consists of a low-pressure shutoff switch LPS capable of low-pressure control and an HPS capable of high-pressure control. The low-pressure shutoff switch contacts the system using low-pressure set points and deviation values. HPS also controls the system in the same way as LPS. On the other hand, the HPS restarts using the manual return button for safety. There are screws to adjust the low and high pressure set pressure values and screws to adjust the deviation pressure value. There are two A contact, B contact and C contact which can turn LPS and HPS on-off. And high pressure setting value for stopping the system operation, manual return button for high pressure shutdown, and screws for adjusting cutoff pressure value. How to set low pressure shutoff switch pressure value. The current set pressure value is 0.2 megapascal. Pressure setting value can be increased by turning the adjusting screw at the top by counterclockwise using a screwdriver. Conversely, turn the adjustment screw clockwise to lower the pressure setting. In this video, adjusted it to 2 bar. The red scale indicates the setting value. The operating range of the machine can be adjusted by setting the differential pressure value. If the system is higher than the set pressure value, the compressor will operate, and it will stop when the low pressure is lowered by the deviation pressure value set from the set pressure. Please note that the operation range differs from the temperature switch method. In case of differential pressure value, the upper adjustment screw is raised by turning clockwise and lowered by turning counterclockwise. In this video, set it to 0.5 bar. Since this pressure switch operates analog way, there is a difference between the adjustment pressure value and actual operation and stopping pressure. Practice adjusting the pressure several times while checking the pressure gauge is necessary. How to set high pressure shutoff switch pressure value. The current set pressure value is 0.8 megapascal. Pressure setting value can be increased by turning the adjusting screw at the top by clockwise using a screwdriver. Conversely, turn the adjustment screw counterclockwise to lower the pressure setting. The operation of the HPS stops the compressor when the system pressure exceeds the set pressure value. Press the manual reset button after the set pressure drops below.
The circuit construction is first to construct the minus line, which is line 2. The minus circuit is constructed in the order of red lamp output terminal, MC output terminal, compressor output terminal, CFM output terminal of electronic valve SV from the minus line output terminal of an NFB circuit breaker switch, and the plus line is constructed. Then the plus line output terminal of the NFB circuit breaker switch is connected to the red lamp input terminal, connected from the red lamp input terminal to the PB2 input terminal of a B contact push button, connected from the PB2 input terminal of a B contact push button to the PB1 input terminal of an MC A contact push button, connected from the PB1 output terminal of an A contact push button to the MC input terminal, connected from the PB2 output terminal of B contact push button to the A contact input terminal of MC auxiliary contact, connected from the A contact output terminal of MC auxiliary contact to the MC input terminal, and the PB2 input terminal of a B contact push button is connected to the A contact input terminal of different auxiliary contact in the non-used MC. Connected from the A contact output terminal of MC to the C terminal of LPS. Connected from the H terminal of LPS to the compressor input terminal. Connected from the compressor input terminal to the CFM input terminal. Lastly, the L terminal of LPS is connected to the electronic valve SV input terminal. If the NFB circuit breaker switch is turned on, the red lamp is turned on. If PB1 is pushed, MC is magnetized, so the A contact becomes circuit closing, MC becoming self-maintained, a compressor and a condenser becoming to be operated because the temperature switch LPS is in a H contact state, and the pressure of the low temperature side of the compressor becomes to drop rapidly because the electronic valve SV becomes closed. If the pressure of a low temperature side of the compressor and then the LPS contact is changed to L, the compressor and condenser gets to stop, the electronic valve SV becoming open, and thus the pressure of the low temperature side of the compressor becomes to rise. If the pressure of the low temperature side of the compressor becomes to rise, the LPS contact is changed to H, so the compressor and the condenser get to operate, and the process is repeated continuously. If the NFB circuit breaker switch is turned off, the red lamp is turned off.
Setting the pressure using the low pressure switch. Connect minus terminal of DC 24 volts power module to minus terminal of magnetic contactor. Connect minus terminal of magnetic contactor to minus terminal of compressor. Connect minus terminal of compressor to minus terminal of condenser fan motor. Connect minus terminal of condenser fan motor to minus terminal of solenoid valve. Connect plus terminal of DC 24 volts power module to the input terminal of push button 2. Connect the output terminal of push button 2 to the input terminal of push button 1 using a banana jack. Connect the output terminal of push button 1 to the MCA, input terminal of magnetic contactor. Jump connect the MCA output terminal to the input terminal of push button 1. Connect the output terminal of push button 1 to the plus power terminal of magnetic contactor. Jump connect the input terminal of push button 2 to MCA, input terminal. Connect MCA output terminal to the C contact of low pressure switch. Connect the H contact of low pressure switch to plus terminal of compressor, and then jump connect the condenser fan motor. Connect the L contact of low pressure switch to plus terminal of solenoid valve. Set the pressure of the connected low pressure switch. There are 2 adjustment screws on the top of the low pressure switch. Turn the right screw to adjust the set pressure. Turn the left screw to adjust the differential pressure. The video set the set pressure as 2 bar and the differential pressure as 1 bar. Turn the DC 24 volts power module on. When the push button 1 is pressed, the refrigeration system is activated. The current pressure of low pressure side is measured as 3 bar. Since the current pressure is higher than the set pressure of 2 bar, the compressor and condenser fan motor connected to the H terminal are activated. The set pressure of 2 bar minus the differential pressure of 1 bar is the stop pressure of 1 bar. When the current pressure becomes 1 bar, the contact of the low pressure switch changes from H to L. The compressor and the condenser fan motor will stop and the solenoid valve connected to the L contact will open. Since the solenoid valve is open, the pressure on the low pressure side rises. If the pressure becomes 2 bar or higher, the contact changes from L to H and the compressor, condenser fan motor is turned on again. The refrigerator operation is controlled around the set pressure area with such control method.